actually pretty good. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Ow. Yeah, how'd that feel? Ow! My pinky! Ow! Ow! Okay.
Show your cat as a baby versus now.
I was calling you. Mummy bought you a present, a moving in present. It's a Christmas carrot. It's a Christmas carrot. Did you sleep in here with Teddy last night? Do you like your Christmas carrot? Oh, Baba.
What? Oh, you're gonna bite my toe because I don't have my hand out. Hey, no bite! That's not nice. That's bad.
Wow.
We started with a sock and we made Luke a peanut. It covers his whole neck so he can go to the dog park and he won't be cold. What do you think?
Check this out.
Damn. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. So, do you want to go get some food?
You don't have to like me. But I wish you would, because I'm a delight, and I host really great tea parties, and I make cookies, and I will love you.
Not in the car! Not in the car! Not in the car! Both of you knock it off! Knock it off!
Go to me.
Look at the demon we're living with. She's stolen the sponge twice this morning. She stole the old sponge. There's egg residue on it. She's growling. I'm so angry with you.
I walk to come and change. I knew the path.
Dude. You're a good boy. It's dangerous out here, man. You're on a blind corner. If I
probably belongs over there. Where'd you go, little dude? What the hell? He's gone.
Guys, get in the getaway car. We gotta go. All right, I can drive. It's a stick shift.
Okay, I'll open the door. So kittens are no longer in their playpen, which means they have found their way upstairs.
Is so bad, I want to give you a 0, but that's not possible. So I give you a 1.
Mom saw a TikTok about adding water to my kibble.
Are you okay? Is that good? You like it better with water in your kibble? Oh, he's a good boy. Yummy. Good job, honey.